Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. How's you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, right? So in the previous class we discussed the chapter computer networking. So today we will discuss with book exercise, okay? And in the next class we start our new chapter. Okay, so you have to complete all the book work in your book only. Do not use any notebook, okay? So we will start now. Yes, students, now we start the book exercise of this chapter. Yes, students, section A is filling the blanks. So, first filling the blank is a dash is a computer network created for an individual person. So, which type of computer network created for an individual person is PAN, personal area network. Second is the dash system allow us to talk to any person in the world at any time. So, communication system allow us to talk to any person in the world at any time. Third is a computer network enable two or more computer to share dash and hardware dash. So computer networking is helpful for computer to share data and hardware resources like printer and scanner. Fourth is in a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at dash only, that is single point. Okay. Fifth is the computers that communicate with each other are called dash, that is nodes. Nodes are helpful to communicate with each other. Yes. Sixth is a network maintained without using wire is called wireless networking. Now, seventh is dash and dash are the different type of networking. Yes, students, there are four type of networking like LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. So, here we write two names, LAN and MAN. LAN and MAN are the different type of networking. Now, eighth is network dash refer to the layout in which various components of a network are connected and communicate with each other. So, that is topology. Topology refer to the layout in which various components of a network are connected and communicate with each other. I am revising again. First is PAN. PAN is a computer network created for an individual person. Second is communication. Communication system allow us to talk to any person in the world at any time. Third is a computer network enable two or more computer to share data and hardware resources. Fourth is in a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at single point only. Fifth is the computer that communicate with each other are called nodes. Sixth is a network maintained without using wires is called wireless. Seventh is LAN and MAN are the different type of networking. Eighth is network dash refer to the layout in which various components of a network are connected and communicate with each other are called topologies. So now we move to the next slide. Yes, students, second is true or false. So here you have to read the statement first. If the statement is true, then you have to write T. But if the statement is false, then you have to write F. Okay. So here first is nodes and server have the same function. No, students, nodes and server don't have the same function. So here F is there, means false is there. Second is Wi-Fi stand for wireless fidelity, that is true. Third is network cards are used to physically attach a computer with a network. So yes, student, network cards are helpful to physically attach a computer with a network. So that is true. Fourth is WAN stand for Wide Area Network. Yes student, the full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. So that is also true. In the fifth, in client server network there is no central server. Yes students, in a client server network central server are there. So that is false. Sixth is extranet refer to a computer network restricted to an organization. So that is false. Seventh is in a star topology all the nodes in a network are connected in a circular manner. That is true. Yes students, I am repeating again. Nodes and servers have the same function. That is false. Second is Wi-Fi stand for wireless fidelity. That is also true. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer with a network. So that is also true. Fourth is WAN stand for wide area network. That is also true. Now fifth is in a client server network there is no central server. That is false. Sixth is extranet refer to a computer network restricted to an organization. That is false. Seventh is in a star topology all the nodes in a network are connected in a circular manner. So that is also true. Yes students, now application based questions are there. So first is Mr. Hemant has set up his office with 50 computers. He wants to connect computer and peripheral devices within his office building with wires. Which type of network should he use? So that is LAN network, because LAN is local area network that is useful in offices, schools and companies. Second is which type of network architecture is the most suitable when a few computers having similar power and capacity are to be networked together. So that is peer to peer, because that is not possible in a client server network. Third is Arpita want to attach her computer to a network so that it can participate in a network communication. Which card should he use? That is networking card. Network card is a hardware component. Fourth is Raman want to send a few photographs and songs to one of his friends by interconnected mobile phones using short range wireless connection. Which technology would be the most suitable for him? That is Bluetooth. That is also helpful in our computers, laptop and mobile phones. Yes students, now proceed to the next slide. Here is section B. In a section B, multiple choice questions are here. One question is there and 3 choices are here. So here you have to choose the correct one. First question is, which is the most commonly used networking card? First is Wi-Fi, second is Bluetooth, third is Ethernet networking card. So here C option is correct, that is Ethernet networking card. Second is the dash are the certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over the network. So here first is protocol, second is networking card, third is both A and B. So here first option is correct, that is protocols. Protocols are the set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over the network. Now third is, what do you call the computers that are connected to the server? So option A is node, second is laptop, third is PC. Yes, here we are talking about connection. So that is node. Nodes are computer that are connected to the server. That is helpful in client and server model. Fourth is dash security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Here first is network, second is information, third is resource sharing. So A option is correct. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Fifth is dash is a device that connects wireless communication device to form a wireless network. So first is WAN, wide area network, second is Wi-Fi, third is web. So here option C is correct because web is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network. Sixth is which network among the following require a single communication line or one main cable. So here first option is bus topology, second is star topology, and third is tree topology. Yes students, in a star and tree topology so many lines are there, but in a bus topology only single communication line in a main cable. So option A is correct. I am repeating again. In first question option C is correct. In a second question option A is correct, that is protocols. In a third question option A is correct, that is nodes. In a fourth question option A is correct, that is network. And in the fifth option C is correct, that is web. And in the sixth option A is correct, that is bus topology. So now we proceed to the next slide. Yes students, now we start the question answer. So first question is what is networking? Give some common relevant example. So what is networking? A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Now, an excellent example of networking is the internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Now, second question is differentiate between LAN and WAN. Now, I will tell you with the help of slide. Yes, students, see the difference here in between LAN and WAN. So, first difference is LAN covers small geographical area and WAN cover large or wide geographical area, because LAN is a local area network that is in a company's offices or in a schools, but WAN is a wide area network. And now second difference is a computer are directly connected through the physical cable for data transmission like nodes. But in WAN, no physical cable or wire is used and data is sent and received through the microwave system or satellites. Third is LAN card is used for data transmission. Yes, for LAN card is a networking component, okay, that is used for data transmission. But in a WAN, modem is used for data transmission. Different type of modem are there in the market like Idea, Vodafone, Jio, so many modems. Now next is data transmission speed is very high, but in WAN data transmission speed is little slow. The last is installation and configuration cost is less than WAN because it is based on the wires, but in WAN higher than LAN because that is wireless, and here microwave system and satellite are required. Okay students. Yes student, now third question is what do you understand by the term network security? So what is network security? Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in a computer networking. hence many users are accessing the same data. So we must ensure it proper security. Only unauthorized person can access or modify data. Okay student, consider the following point that may happen in any organization. Yes student, the fourth question is explain client server network in your own words. So what is client server network? Client server network is a network where several computers called clients or workstations are connected to the main computer called the server. A server is a computer that provides service to the clients and the control access to hardware, software and other resources. And client are the computer that request service like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Okay students, now fifth question is what do you understand by the term network topologies? So what is network topology? Firstly we understand topology. What is topology? Topology is the design of network or refer to the layout of connected devices. And what is network topology? Network topology refer to the layout of connected device on a network. The pattern of interconnection of node in a network is called the topology. Yes students, there are different type of network topologies are. See here different type of network topologies like mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology and bus topology. Yes student, the last question is differentiate between peer-to-peer network and the client server network. Now I will show you the difference with the help of slides. Yes students, see the difference client server and the peer-to-peer model. So first difference is server has the controllability while clients don't. Yes students, server has the control ability. It depends only on the server. But in the peer-to-peer model, all computers have a equal ability. Now second difference is the cost, higher cabling cost, but in peer-to-peer model cheaper cabling cost. Cable cost is less as compared to client server. Now the third difference is it is used in small and large network. In a both type of network like small area and the large area network, in both client server network is possible. But in peer-to-peer model normally used in small network with or less than 10 computers. Okay students, now last difference is that is easy to manage, but in peer-to-peer model hard to manage. Okay. Yes students, I hope these topics are clear to all. Yes, so you have to complete your book. In the next class we will discuss the next chapter. Okay, so enjoy your study, complete your book. Thank you.